Yo guys, what's going on? Thanks for checking out the video. I was out on a random ride and red traffic Nico just pulled up on me, so we're gonna ride. Apologies for the common GoPro microphone L, but this was still a fun ride, so I'm gonna post it. All right, first proper moto vlog in a little bit. Nico goes crazy. Ooh, got the hand right.
I could touch, but not all the time landed.
Yeah, well you saw I got like just the fingertip.
Yeah, it's just this, it's just the brakes.
The brakes are hard on it, yeah. Just cutting it up here. Sheesh. Yeah, so I told Nico I think I'm gonna take him down Bra. We'll go to the stadium. SURRON in the wild.
There you go.
What's good, bro? What's that, MX4? Oh, you got a Chai battery in there too.
I got a Chai and a Torp.
Oh hell yeah! So she rips.
Yeah, I'm still learning how to wheelie it, so I'm not good at that. But this thing is fucking. This is the first time I went on it with the new controller.
Oh,
the power is crazy. It's like 18 kilowatts.
Is it the TC500?
It's 1,000.
1,000. Oh shit.
With the 72 volt cheek.
Is that is that an MX3 or MX4?
It's an MX4.
MX4, nice. Yeah. Hell yeah.
Yeah, first 2 minutes I've ridden on.
Oh really? So you're getting it all tuned up.
Controller on.
Yeah. I just put a 72 volt in mine. Yeah, it's a triple X, Delaware triple X.
Oh yeah, the triple X.
Yeah, with the Chai battery, new controller. Yeah. All right, later, bro. Police athletically. I think it's just a suggestion, right? Yeah, let's just go through it. It's only the Police Athletic League. Bro, look at the bottom of my shoe. There you go. All right, swerve the cones. Should we climb this?
I started sliding.
Bro, nearly. I thought you were about to go right into the ditch.
Maybe I'm bullshit, right?
And we had to hit a quick circle sesh. We're working on these Ninox circles, which are slowly coming along. Once we got these locked in and dialed, definitely gonna try to learn some seat stander circles. Those are like the bane of my existence right now though.
That was a good one.
Oh, shit.
Good ball. Come on now. Come on, touch the ground. Right here. Ah! Fingertips away.
Just get it, he's great.
How much for a bike like that? How much you think?
600? 5 grand. About 5 grand.
5 grand?
This one costs 3 grand.
Those are beautiful, man. And all electric?
Yeah.
Man, you really ain't like that. That was excellent. Beautiful bike, man. 5 grand.
That's on nice too.
Thanks, but that.
What the fuck? Huh?
You know them?
No. He just swerved at me. You saw that, right?
Yeah.
What the f are they doing, bro? They were like racing each other and I got right in between it.
They wasn't racing, they was looking dumb.
It's a Talaria. It's basically the same thing now. So stock, this bike is called a Talaria XXX. Stock, it goes like 40. I just put a bigger battery in it though, so it goes like 60 now.
60. I got